Thai vegetable stir fry. And this is going to be very simple. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create my stir fry sauce. So what I have here is a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. I have about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Some people use oyster sauce. I'm going with the fish because the fish sauce is what they love in Thailand. I have about 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to have a couple teaspoons of sugar. And I'm going to add, let's say about half a teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken it a little bit. And I'm going to mix it. That's all. Mix it up well. Make sure it's well mixed. And that's all. So I have my wok. Let's put it a couple notches above medium. Some oil, one vegetable. Any oil, don't go with extra virgin olive oil because it adds too much flavor of the oil. So I have the wok, they call it grata. They call it grata in Thailand. Or you can use any other type of, pan or whatever. So what I'm going to do, I have about 6-7 teeth of garlic. I love garlic. And I'm going to cook them for a few seconds, okay? Less than a minute. You don't want it burned. Oh, it smells delicious. I have some carrots, which I peel and I cut. I went with baby carrot, but you can go with any. And I have some broccoli, okay? And I'm going to mix this baby. I'm going to cook it. And I'm going to do this for a few minutes, okay? And the reason I add this first is because it takes a little bit to cook these carrots. You know what I mean? To help with the cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit. That way the steam helps with the cooking. It's about 1/4 cup, okay? And let this baby cook. 5 or 7 minutes later, see the water helped with the garlic because it didn't burn. So I have here the rest of the vegetables. Baby corn, mushrooms, snow peas. Let me add them. Repeat the process. Add some dry red chili peppers. I'm going to add them too. Let me mix this for about 3 or 4 minutes before I add the sauce. About 3 or 4 minutes later, here comes the sauce. And I'm going to let this go for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Three or 4 minutes later, look at this beauty. So I'm going to put it aside, okay? Let me get it out here. Put it aside. This baby's ready. Now, I have some meat I want to cook. So what I'm going to do, I remove this stuff. I'm going to use a little bit of salt. Spread it around. And a little bit of oil. Same type. And what I'm going to do, notice I didn't put salt here or anything like that. You don't have to. I'm going to cook this baby. Very quickly. Get the meat cooked too, right? A man cannot live out of vegetables only. We need to eat meat. About 5 minutes later, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a mix here. This time around, I use less soy sauce because I have some salt. So about maybe a teaspoon of soy sauce and a couple of tablespoons of the fish sauce. And of course, add a little bit of sugar and cornstarch. And I'm going to add it. Going to caramelize this baby. Let it cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Get it caramelized. Maybe 3 minutes. It's about 2 minutes. See how beautiful and caramelized? Let's serve this baby. Here we have it. Look at these peppers, huh? Look at the rice. Look at the beef. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful.